Hello, friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. Today we're making Kale of the Dead salad. Kale pesto, mozzarella skulls, and tomatoes spell a spooky side dish for a delicious Halloween dinner. Let's make this. For the pre-work, if you're using baby kale, you can skip this step. Otherwise, blanch your kale. Remove the spine of each kale leaf and loosely chop the leaves. Add to a pot of boiling water and blanch for 2 to 4 minutes. You'll see the kale will go a bit limp, but it will still retain its gorgeous cream color. Dry thoroughly. Toast your pistachios in a dry fry pan until they are lightly browned, moving regularly so they are toasted all over. Make the mozzarella skulls. Spray cooking spray on your microwave-safe mold. Cut your mozzarella slice into cubes, or the same number of skulls in the mold. Fit each cube into the cavity of the mold. Heat in your microwave for 30 seconds and check. The cheese should melt, filling the mold so it fills evenly to the top of the mold and no higher. If you need more melting time, do it in 10-second intervals until the cheese is fully melted. Note the insides of the mold will melt more slowly. Pat down the cheese so it fills every crevice. Put the skulls mold into the freezer and chill for about 5 minutes while you make the pesto. In a food processor, add the pistachios and garlic and pulse until well chopped. Add the kale, lemon peel, and lemon juice, and then blend until well mixed and the kale is pulverized. You'll need to scrape down the sides of the food processor to ensure everything is well mixed. Add the Parmesan, salt, and red pepper, and blend again. Finally, while the food processor is running, slowly pour the olive oil into the mixer to emulsify the pesto together. Now, let's make the salad. To your mixing bowl, add the cut tomatoes and the kale pesto together. Mix well so every tomato is covered in pesto. Transfer this to your serving platter. Then add your skulls, popping them out of the mold and placing them on top of the dressed tomatoes. Serve your delighted guests for a spooky Halloween dinner.